Suck it in.
Marky got poo poo.
Marky got poo poo. Marky got poo poo. Well, can you taste it yet?
I can taste it. You're not paying me again, right?
10 more minutes.
Right, sir?
Of course.
Of course not, right?
Right.
Good.
Yeah, I mean,
That's for all the babies' moms.
Hey.